In this activity, you will be programming the Sphero Robot to react to a collision. Place the Sphero Robot in front of a wall or a book. Now, scan the QR code and open it with the Sphero EDU app. Once you are in the coding screen, you will notice a few block codes. The on collision is an event block. An event is when something happens that triggers the code to run. So here, when the Sphero Robot collide, it will run the code attached below it. The main LED block is from the light block. This code will change the color of the Sphero Robot. The play block is from the sound block. You can select from a variety of different sounds to play. Attach the roll block below the on start program block. Here we can change the color and the intensity of the light on the Sphero Robot. Let's choose a collision sound. Before we press start, don't forget to aim the Sphero Robot. Press start to run the code. The Sphero Robot will roll forward and collide, which will change its color and play a sound. Put your comments below if you find this activity easy to follow or not.